Hello everyone, hope that all of you are well and having a really very good time. I'm also well by the grace of Almighty God. My name is Porosh. I'm a student as well as an English learner. So now I'm here at Sheikh Russell Nagar Park in Naranganj, and this is the place where I made so many English videos. And today I have come here in order to make an English video for my YouTube channel and of course my Facebook page, and I already made that video, and now it's time to go home. But before going home, I thought I have to make another video, so that is the reason why I am recording this video. And now I would like to show you the beautiful morning view of our city. And just look at this is called vibrant and energetic city Naranganj. Look at three tall buildings, look at my behind, and there is a road also available. And this place is really beautiful, and it's very shiny day, and the sun is shining. And today I'm so happy as a king. I will tell you the reason later. And now I'm going to my home because I already made that video, so I don't have any works here. And after going home, I will take my breakfast, and later I will go to my coaching. My coaching will start from 1 p.m. and I am supposed to go there. So if I tell you why I am so happy today, I'm happy because yesterday I got some money from an elder brother. And the reason is very interesting. After watching my English video, that brother connected with me on WhatsApp, and later he gave me an English script for his own YouTube video. And he just told me, brother, you have to make an audio version for with this script. And yesterday I completing that audio, and I sent him. And as a reward, yesterday he gives me 200 taka. So that is why I am so happy. Maybe this amount of money is small, but it's really special for me because I have earned this money by my own skill. So that's why I'm so very happy. And when I told this to my mother, she was really surprised that when I was recording that video, that time my mother thought I am practicing my spoken English. But that wasn't. And when I told my mother, she was really astonished about it. So that is why I am so happy today, because I'm also earning money by teaching English. I teach some students online, and these things are really help me a lot and helping me a lot. And I am a student, so I have some daily expenditure, and I have my tuition free, I have my college free. So by teaching English and by doing this kind of things, I am earning some money. So that is why I am so happy, and that's why I am flooding over the moon at this moment. And this is our city. What amazing view! And I am recording this video with my own gimbal that I bought in order to make more and more clear and smoother video. And I am recording this video with it, so I am so happy. Now I can use my both hand when I am recording video. So this makes me so happy. And I'm so happy. And if I talk about the environment right now, it's very calm and serene here. Although it was a foggy morning, but now the fog disappears slowly, and the sun is shining. The sun is shining like a gold. I always tell it in my every single video. And there are so many people available here, and they are just taking morning walk beside this beautiful park. And this park is one of the best place in our city. Although yesterday I also came here, and yesterday I gave a treat to my friend Saki, because for so many days he has been asking me for a treat. And at last yesterday evening I gave him a treat. So that is the thing. And overall the things are so fine and things are going so well. I'm so happy. I'm doing some good works by using my knowledge of English, by using my experience that I have learned throughout my journey. So that is why all the things are fine, and I'm also having a good time. And my parents, my family members, they are also very happy. And I made an English video about my new laptop. I made that video like before 2 or maybe 3 weeks earlier, after completing my pre-test exam. And hopefully within a very short time I am going to Dhaka, and I will buy my new laptop for my bright future, for my progress. And I hopefully by using that laptop I will be able to do so many good things. I'm so happy now because I can speak English I can express all my opinions, I can express myself in a better way, because I have tried to improve myself and every day I'm just trying. So that is the thing why I am so happy today. And hopefully you are also practicing your spoken English, you are also making English video regularly, and making video makes me so happy. And that is why very every day I just try to make at least one single video, so that I can inspire you, so that I can feel something in myself. Okay, so the video is getting longer and I don't want to make it more longer. It's time to go home, take my breakfast. Later I will try to learn something for my spoken English. I will complete my homework for my tuition, for my coaching, and later I will go to my coaching. So things are very fine and fantastic. Okay, there is a dog available. Are you watching it? I don't know. You can see it or not. Okay. Well, no problem. So that's all for now. I don't want to make it more longer. Thanks for watching. All the best. Have a good day to all of you. Take care.